Soda? Soda. Hey, hi.
I am today's shopkeeper. I have vanilla, water, and milk. I have juice.
Milk, water, and juice. Can I have one milk? One milk, please.
Give me money.
I don't have any money.
Sorry, no money, no milk.
I'm so sad.
Wait, Appleberry. You can work for me.
Work? What work?
Clean the floor.
I haven't cleaned the floor, guys. It's okay. Let's clean. Let's clean the floor. So tired. Aara, I have cleaned the floor.
Wow. Good job.
Thank you. Now can I have one milk?
Yeah.
Yay, milk. I want one more, Aara.
Clean the vending machine.
Uh-oh. Okay, let's clean the vending machine. Let's clean the vending machine. What happened?
You're cleaning me. Sorry. Take your milk and go. Take your milk and go. Don't come to my shop.
Sorry, I will not come again.
Silly Appleberry. Silly Appleberry. Soda.
Feeling so thirsty.
Soda.
Soda? Let's go. Hi, Aara. Hey, you have vending machine.
Vending book. Vanilla water, milk, and some orange juice. What do you want now?
I want orange juice. Will you take cash? Coins? I don't have coins.
I can take card also.
Cool. I don't have money, but I have VIP card. Let's swipe it.
It's here.
Now I want orange juice. Wow, orange juice. So yummy. Bye-bye.
Hello. Aara, I am hungry. Okay, I'm making. Kitchen is broken. Hello, I need new kitchen